All right, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. That probably just deafened every single one of you. But all right, let's get back into it. Another day of lifting heavyweight. I'm just joking. That ain't my real voice. All right, we back though. We back. You know, didn't left yesterday. I just didn't film it. It was cats and shoulders. I don't think anybody want to watch that. I'm just gonna be completely honest. I don't think really anybody watches me working out. They just want to see how stupid I am when I talk on the car right there. Wow, that's kind of depressing. Not really. I don't care. I'm a funny person to look at. All right. Update. So we're trying the Hulk juice, pre-workout extreme from Alpha Lion. I like the taste. It's kind of sour. I don't know what's in it, but it kind of tastes like medicine. But like, it's enough to like wake you up. You're like, I don't like this, but I got to drink it, and I hate it. But it's gonna wake me the hell up, you know. So we're gonna see how that goes. Still mix it with everything else, the creatine and the citrulline. Get on the citrulline, put the right amount in. Didn't use any glycerol today for the workout, just because I didn't feel like putting any glycerol in it. I didn't drink enough water today to take glycerol and creatine. I know that for a fact. I was slacking on my drinking at least a gallon. So, all right, this is a stop sign. I hope this is like recording my audio. It should be. But, so, we're 2021 soon. 40 days, something like that around there. It's like a month and a half or whatever. What's dope is I'm excited. I'm going to, visit my brother at school. He's at a university, East Carolina University. If you know anything about that, people party hard. So I'm excited to have my first taste of alcohol and go to the liquor store and try that out. Never really had anything. The closest thing I ever had was a sip of my mother's wine. I know, dirty me, right? But yeah, I'm excited to have my first, real drink. First time tasting it. I mean, guys, let me know. Like, does it taste good? Like, it's like out. Like, I mean, I don't really like wine, but it's like tequila. I've heard a lot of people like tequila and like Tito's. Like a lot of people I know drink Tito's. It's like Tito's like a tasty drink. Like can you drink it straight? I see a lot of people like taking like those little small things like that, shots of it. Are those good? Like, let me know, guys. Like sucking in the elbows, warmed up. Oh, my elbows hurt so bad. You know what? Maybe I'll start with rope today. Maybe that's what we'll do. Rope never typically hurts my elbows that much. There we go. That's a good starter set. All right, get into some of these. Pumped up the weight quite a bit. All right. That's all you guys get to see, but I'm gonna do another set. Let's hop into some push downs. Raise this weight up just a little bit. We're gonna do some explosive ones. I don't know if there's a lot of weight, but let me tell you, shout out to Pitbull, makes absolute bangers. We're listening to Suave by Pitbull and Elvis
Crespo. I'm probably butchering that name, but Suavemente, it's that song. But plus Pitbull rapping it. I mean, can't get much worse. Also, anybody ever thinks copied Sam Sulek's hair? I didn't. This is take off my hat. I have a mullet. Last time I checked, he does not have a mullet. It's because I got big balls. So I'm on steroids. Really focusing right now on the squeeze at the bottom, not as much the motion up top. Oh, hold. Oh yeah. Keep you recording, but bro, this feels so good. I'm gonna start with the left again. Mix it up. Surprise the muscle. This thing, if I had this thing, I think genuinely I could do just about everything. Back would be a lot harder. I can't do lat pull down, but do dumbbell rows. But this thing, it's a good cable machine because you could do chest and all that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels. Well, 30s are feeling pretty good. Who's your daddy? Can't take myself seriously. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on. You know, pump is actually completely gone. I'm such a chatty little dude. Got chatting. But let's get back into it. Ah. Yeah. All right, let's check this pump. I don't know how good you can see the light in here. All right, it's a pretty good pump. My arms are like actually dead though, so it's like hard to flex right now. But it was a great lift. Let's just say we're definitely going to be using the pre-workout again. Yeah, great lift. Tired as crap though. It's like midnight. I've been here way too long. I don't know what this video is going to look like. I don't know what that looks like. I probably look stupid. I don't know what other listening. I don't know. Terrible pump, but I feel stronger, so all that matters. I don't know if I'll put this on TikTok, but looking better. Let's go home.